Morning everybody, welcome to day 13 on the Cape Wrath Trail. Looks like it's going to be another glorious day out today. We've got quite a lot of sunshine this morning, so trying to beat the heat, get up started early, about 6:30 now. Had a good night's sleep, windy overnight, no rain. We got visited by one of the local horses here, came and sniffed around the tents, so that was interesting. But yeah, we just chatting with a few of the people staying at the bothy. There's people kayaking, canoeing in, and they've just left now, heading out. So we're going to start heading out soon. In the next 5 minutes, head out. Goal is to get to Rhiconich today. I think it is the name of it. 19 miles. There's a few ups and downs, but that's the Cape Wrath. So see how it goes, and keep you guys along for the journey. I'll show you what you can see today. I'm excited to get out there. So I'll see you guys out there on the trail. I got Emma going there for a swim down in the lock-in. She's enjoying that, I bet. She loves to do swimming in the lock-ins. I'm gonna probably go for a swim later in the big lock-in before we head into town. So that's my plan. All right, we've left the 4x4 track for another track. That's going to take us around Ben Stack, that big beauty there. This is the main trail. So it's about 6 miles down to the road this direction. So hopefully we get some good views. Nice views out into, looks like the ocean. Could be beautiful. Just heading to one of the hills. I think it's Benjiri, I think, or something. Just climbing up to it now. Should be there soon. I think it's 508 meters. So, yeah. All right, we're at the summit of Benjiri. 508 meters. We got Ben Stack in front of us, and the views all around. Ocean, Malcolm coming up. Views inland. I don't know if you can hear me with the wind, but we made it to the top. Now we basically skirt around the side there. What a spot. Wow. Jaw dropping, huh, Malcolm? What do you think?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Out of this world, this.
Yeah.
Just what we wanted.
Exactly.
We couldn't pray for this.
Nope.
The weather we've had.
How lucky are we?
Outstanding.
Woo. Right, just finished the Ben Stack route, and now we're carrying on again. We had a break by the bridge, by the river, soaking of the feet, some painkillers, coffee, lots of water. Feeling a lot better now, rehydrated I think, and ready to push on this last 7 miles into Rhiconich for the night. It's quite hot today. It's one of the hottest days since I've been out here. So heat is definitely taking its toll. So the next section is pretty low level. So I think elevation gain is like 30 meters. So it's very low level. So happy about that because I don't need to go up anymore. I'm quite tired of going up. So yeah, views out here are just simply amazing. We've just been all chatting about it. Just unbelievable, jaw-dropping. So anyway, we're gonna push on now and go around. There's a few lock-ins we passed. Might go for a swim. We'll see. Some more off trail. No path. Just kind of cutting our way through here to the lock-in where we're going for a swim. The trail next to the lock-ins is crap. Complete bog fest. Slipping, sliding all over the place. Yeah, it's tough. Rocks here and there. Massively challenging that was. Was hoping to put the miles in, but that ain't happening. It's slow going. I'm in the middle of the two lock-ins now. It's just bog everywhere. It's tough in the sun and the heat to come through this section. It's really tough. But doing it. Probably another hour of it, I would imagine. There's a lock there. Oh, it's brutal. This looks like a fun river crossing. It's gonna be over my shoe, that is. Wow. I think this might be the hardest river crossing yet. Cool. Take it easy and get across. Last stretch in now to Rhiconich. Just about last kilometer. It's been a very, very tough day. 19 miles, I think, in total is it's going to be. A lot of tough day in the heat. Just happy to get in. I'll put my feet up once I can. All right, finally made it into Rhiconich. Oh, what a day. That's the hotel, I think, in front of me. I'm gonna get in here now. I think we can camp behind the police station, if I'm correct. I'll have to take a look at that and see what we can find out, what's going on. It's a beautiful day. It's 4 o'clock dead on. Happy to be here. Ooh, last hard day, that's it. Tomorrow's just 7 miles to the Sandwood Bay, or 10 miles to Sandwood Bay. Utterly amazing. Let's just get here and get this backpack off my shoulders. Right, as a group we made a decision. We're not stopping at whatever it's called, Rhiconich, because their hotel doesn't serve beer, or to the public. As Malcolm almost got run over by a rich Range Rover guy. Anyway, we're leaving that town because they don't serve to the public. And there's a sign right as you drop down into the road to Kinlochbervie, non-residents welcome. That's us. We're non-residents. Hey! We want a pint. We're walking 5 kilometers more today, which is just ludicrous considering how shattered I am. It is a road walk, so we'll go by quickly to get beer and maybe some food. So let's do it. Right, we've made it to London Stores. Seen us on the videos and talk so many times. I've never been here. Made it. See if we can about get us some food for later on. London Stores, let's check it out. After a long day of walking, we made it down to Kinlochbervie, where we had some food, burger and chips.